Hi friends, so today we will see what is singleton class in C++ and how we can implement the same. Okay, so first of all let's see what is singleton. Okay, so it says like singleton design pattern is a software design pattern principle that is used to restrict the instance of a class to only one object. Okay, so means it says like you cannot create more than one object of the class. Okay, so let's start the implementation. First of all, let's make a class singleton. Okay, and we have to make one static pointer of this class. We'll tell you later why we require this. Okay, also we will declare one variable. So by default this will be in private, right? Also the constructor of this singleton will be in private. Okay, this is also I will tell why. So in the constructor we will initialize data to 0. Okay, now we will define public. Here we will define one static function singleton. It will return get instance. Okay, here the logic is if instance is not null, means if instance is null, then only we will give the dynamic memory. Okay, correct. Now as the our this class pointer is static, right? We need to initialize it with the help of scope. We will initialize it to null pointer first of all. Okay, now what we will do, we will make another pointer of singleton class here. It will call the get instance. Okay, so what will happen here is, see, we are defining a class singleton, right? In that we have a static pointer of that class, also a integer data. Now in our constructor is in private, right? So we cannot make the object for this class, that is for sure, right? Now what we are doing here is we are making a static function in that we are giving the dynamic memory to a instance pointer only if the instance pointer is null. See here, if it is not null, we will not allocate any dynamic memory. So we will restrict to making only one object of this class or pointer of this class, right? Now let's compile the code. Yeah, it's working, right? Sorry. Now let's say we will define one function here again, just to print the function name, class name. Sorry. Okay, Also we will try to create one object of this class. So compiler will not allow to create the object of this class. See, so many errors. See, it's saying you cannot create the object as our constructor is in private, right? So we cannot create object, and also the pointer will be only one. Yeah, you can see, right? Yeah, that is all about singleton and how to implement that in C++.